Welcome to Pitchgame, an application meant to register pitches for softball and baseball. In to use Pitchgame, we will have to register an account. To do this, we click the Register button. Here we enter our username and password, and we continue by clicking Sign Up. This brings us to our SDV profile page. Here we can access all of SDV's applications. Today we are interested in Pitchgame. Clicking this will bring us back to the login screen of Pitchgame. Then we now click Login and then Authorize. This will bring us to the Pitchgame home screen. On this page we can see several player statistics. We can see his title, his chosen profile picture, his earned experience points, his current level and his funds. The buttons at the bottom navigate to different parts of the application. To start off, let us actually register some pitches. The easiest way to do this is in free mode. On this page we can choose a throw type, fastball, curveball, rice ball, etc. We can choose a target location. This is where we intend to throw the ball. And we can add our hits. This is where the ball actually landed. Let's register 5 hits in the upper right corner and 5 misses down the middle. After entering our pitches, we click the Submit button, which will give us a brief overview of our session. We can see that every pitch earns us 1 experience point, and our accuracy is 5 out of 10 for an accuracy of 50. After submitting, we can choose to enter more pitches or we can return to the home page. On this page, we can see that we just earned 10 experience points. We will have to earn 40 more experience points to level up. But first, let's look at our statistics. Pitchgame translates our inputted pitches to a 50% accuracy for our chosen target zone. This is because we threw 5 of our pitches inside of the target zone and 5 of our pitches outside of this target zone. After going to the statistic page, we will update our batch list. This will result in a 50% accuracy for fastballs. If we click this, we can see that all our other accuracies are still at 0%. This is because we have not logged any pitches other than fastballs. As you can see, we still have not earned any money. In order to earn money, we will have to complete a task. Tasks can either be given by a coach, or if no tasks are assigned, we will be given a default task to perform. This default task is always the same and challenges the player to throw 10 out of 20 pitches in the lower right corner. Let's register our pitches. We throw 15 in the target zone and 5 outside of the target zone. We submit, we see our statistics again, just as we saw in the free mode. Now we also see that successfully completing a task will earn us 100 gold. Let's submit this attempt. This brings us to the task overview page, and if we return home, we can see that we have now earned $100. In order to perform tasks which are not default tasks, we will have to share data with our coach. This, we will go to the shared data instructions, bringing us to the SDV profile page. Data is shared by following the link of the player you wish to give access to your data. So in this case, that means putting this link and putting it in the coach's browser and take his link and putting it in our own browser. Let's do this now. When we actually follow this link, we come to a page that shows us which user now has access to our data. So we gave the player Coach Mister access to our data, and the coach now has access to the data of Cool Boy. Afterwards, we go back to Pitchgame and assign ourselves a task. Tasks are assigned in coach mode. In coach mode, we click the Add Task button for the player we want to give a task. On this screen, we can enter the throw type, the required amount of pitches, and the location which should be aimed for. In this case, let's go curveball with 25 out of 30 hits and a target zone of right down the middle. Before a task is submitted, it is validated. Since this task is valid, we can submit it. With this task submitted, it will show up on the player's task overview. And there it is. It is a curveball task with 25 out of 30 pitches, with the location being right down the middle. Let's complete this task. Bum 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 bum. With 25 correct, the task is completed. Let's finish it off by missing 5 times. Submit and submit. And the task has now been completed. Now that we've earned some money, $200 by completing 2 tasks, let's see if we can buy something in the shop. In the shop, we can see that money buys us profile pictures. Every level unlocks 3 profile pictures. Since we are only level 2, we only have access to the level 1 profile pictures and the level 2 profile pictures. In upcoming, we see the profile pictures will unlock at the higher levels. In owned, we see we don't own anything yet. We would like to buy all the level 1 profile pictures, but we don't have enough cash. Not enough money. So let's earn a little bit more. In order to make money quicker, we can do quests. In quests, we can gamble our money on different challenges. Each of these quests challenges us on different throw types. Let's battle Fast Furio for 200 gold. In a quest, every throw must be thrown at a random location. Every hit will earn us a strike, while every miss will earn us a ball. The goal in quest is to accumulate 3 strikes before earning 4 balls. Let us complete this battle by throwing 3 strikes. We can see on the overview that this earns us 200 gold for a total of 400. Now that we have more money, let's go back to the shop. We put all the level 1 faces in our basket and click purchase. Ka-chink. Now we can see under the own tab we have access to more faces. We can go for the smiley face, the neutral face, or the default U profile picture. We also discover a new button changing the theme to black. But since our theme is already black, we don't really get anything out of this. In order to get another theme, we will have to get all the pictures in level 2. For that, we need even more money. Let's earn this by battling Fast Furio a bunch of times. Boom, boom, boom. 200 gold. Boom, boom, boom. 400 gold. Boom, boom, boom. And 600 gold has been earned. Now we can go back to the shop and buy some more faces. Let's add them to the basket. Ka-ching. And on tab we can see we have access to the red team. If we click this, whoosh, the application becomes red. Every upcoming level has a new color team to unlock for the player. This explains all the features of Pitchgame. We hope you have fun registering your pitches and improving your game.